Good morning, children. Our lesson 4 is a poem. The poem name is Mice. What is the spelling of mice? M-I-C-E, mice. So, warm up section. Who am I? They have asked us a puzzle. We have to answer that puzzle. I am a small animal. My name begins with M. I love to eat cheese. I am a dash. Who am I? I am a small animal. It is a very small animal. The name of the animal starts with M and it love to eat cheese. So, what could be that animal? It is rather than mouse. It is rather than mouse. So, our poem is all about a mice. So, who write this poem? The poem is written by Rosie Fileman. Rosie Fileman. She is a poetess. She is a poetess. In the second lesson, the poem is written by George Cooper. So we call him as a poet. Here the poem is written by Rosie Fileman. So we call her as a poetess. Okay. The Rosie Fileman. Okay. So let us see the poem. I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long, their faces small. They haven't any chins at all. So, I think mice are rather nice. Who is I in the poem? Here, I refers to the poetess Rosie Fileman. She thinks that the mice are very nice. What she thinks? She thought that the mice are very nice. Do you like mice? Maybe or may not be. So, I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long. Look at this picture. The tails are very long. The tails are very long. Does we have any tails? No, right? Their faces small. So look at their faces, how it look like. Their faces are very small. Do we have a face? Yes, we have a face. They haven't any chins at all. So they doesn't have any chins. The poet is explaining about the mice. The poet is explaining about the mice in the first stanza. In the first stanza, she is describing the mice. They haven't any chins at all. The poet is saying that the mice doesn't have any chins. Their tails are long, their face is small, they haven't any chins at all. So it is all about first stanza. The stanza is describing about the mice. What it describes? The mice have a long tail, the mice have a small face, the mice doesn't have any chin. They are very nice. So see the second stanza. See the second stanza. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white, they run about the house at night. So see, their ears are pink. They have pink ears. Their teeth are white. They have a white teeth. They run about the house at night. At night, when we are at rest, when we are sleeping, the mice will run here and there all around our house. And they make the sounds also. So see, what do you understand by the second stanza? Their ears are pink. Whose ears? The mice ears are The mice ears are pink. The teeth of the mice are white. They run about the house at night. So they have run here and there and all around the house at night when we are at sleep. So see the next stanza. They nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. They nibble things. What is meant by the nibble? What is meant by the word nibble? Eat by taking small bites. They directly eat the food from their mouth. They take small bites and they eat all the food. They shouldn't touch. Why they shouldn't touch? They doesn't have hands, so they shouldn't touch. They can't touch the food and they can't eat with the hands. So that they nibble the things. That means they eat things by taking small bites. And no one seems to like them much. So, because they are doing like that, no one likes the mice. Why? Because at night times they will make some sounds and they will eat the food by using their mouths. They ate the food. So see, but I think mice are nice. But the poet thinks the mice are very nice. This is all about the poem. Repeat after me. I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long. Their faces small. They haven't any chins at all. Their ears are pink. Their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. They nibble things they shouldn't touch. Why they are doing so? Because they chew the things. They cut off the things. They will destroy the things. They nibble the things so that no one seems to like them much. Because they are doing all this, no one seems to like them much. But the poet thinks that she thinks the mice are nice. But I think mice are nice. Poem by Rosie Fahlman. Who is the poetess? Rosie Fahlman. So, let us see the textual exercise. The first exercise is understanding the text. Understanding the text. Tick the correct answer and fill in the blanks. You have to tick the correct answers or choose the correct answers and fill that correct answer in the blanks. Okay. Mice have dash tiles. What kind of tiles mice have? They have long tiles. They have long tiles. You have to tick this answer and you have to write. So let us start our textual exercise. Understanding the text. Tick the correct answer and fill in the blanks. So what we have to do now? We have to tick the correct answer and we have to write that answer on the blank. Mice have dash tiles. What kind of tiles mice have? They have long tails. Their faces are what kind of faces they have? They have small faces. You have to tick the answer and you have to write that answer on the blank. They have dash ears. What kind of ears they have? What color? Their ears were pink. They have pink ears. Mice have dash teeth. Their teeth are in dash color. The teeth are in white color. Mice have a white teeth. They do not have dash. What does mice doesn't have? It doesn't have a nose or a chin or eyes? Doesn't have a chin. So mice have long tails. Their faces are small. They have pink ears. Mice have white teeth. They do not have a chin. So our next section is think and answer. The poet says that mice run about the house at night. Why do you think the mice do so? So what do you think? Why the mice will run here and there in nights only? If you observe one thing, we found mouse generally in the night times. In the night times only they came out and they will run here and there and they chew things. So, what do you think? Why the poet says like that? Because the mice do so in the search of food. See, if in the night time we sleep and we are at rest. So, that is the time mice will search for its food. In that night time only, it is easy to mice to find the food. So, in the night time, mice run about the house. Okay. So, see, discuss. Read these lines from the poem. And no one seems to like them much. Why don't people like mice? Discuss in the class. So what they have asked is, we have to discuss in the class why we shouldn't like mouse generally. Why we don't like the mouse generally. So see, and no one seems to like them much. Who is them? The mices. Who is them? Mices. No one likes the mices. Why no one likes the mices? Because they run about the house at night. They nibble things they shouldn't touch. Because they shouldn't touch. Why they shouldn't have hands? They shouldn't touch. They will chew the things. They will eat directly from the mouth. They will touch all the things. So generally we shouldn't like the mice for that purpose only. Okay. So our next section is understanding words. Choose the words from the help box and fill in the blanks with the sounds of animal. So if you look at this page, here some animals are there. Okay. See, so we have to fill these blanks with the sounds they make. Okay. See, in the help box they have given us some words. What are they? First one, new. Second one, chips. Third one, house. Fourth one, gross. Sixth one, brace. And eighth one, hums. Okay. So, what is this? This is a board, right? So, what is the sound that the board makes? The board makes the sound chips. Okay. What does the jockey makes? It makes the sound like horse. Okay. What does the bear makes? The sound that the bear makes is growls. Okay. What does the sound the cat makes? What is the sound the cat makes? The cat makes the sound mew. What is the honeybee makes? What is the sound of honeybee? It hums. So finally, donkey. What is the sound that the donkey makes? The sound that the donkey makes is brace. Okay. Is it clear for you? Section is listening. Listen to the dialogue and complete the sentence. So now I will read the dialogues. Okay. Ritika, where are you going? Suman, I am going to the market. Ritika is asking to Suman that where are you going? Suman is answering that I am going to a market. Samir, whose basket is this? Pratik said, it belongs to me. Sunita, where are the books kept? The books are kept on the shelf. Priya, what are you eating? Shivi, I am eating a sandwich. So see our first blank. Dash is going to dash. Dash is going to the dash. So see, in the first conversation, who is going to where? Suman is going to the market. Suman is going to the market. Suman is going to the market. Okay. The dash belongs to the dash. What is belongs to what? It belongs to me. What is that it indicates? It indicates a basket. That basket belongs to Pratik. So, the basket belongs to Pratik. The dash are kept on the dash. See, what is kept on the what? The books are kept on the shelf. Second answer is Pratik. Basket belongs to the Pratik. Third one is books are kept on the shelf. Okay. Let us write the answer. So, the books are kept on the shelf. And who is eating the sandwich? Chibi. Suman is going to the market. The basket belongs to the Pratik. The books are kept on the shelf. Shivi is eating a sandwich. Next one speaking. Look at the picture, work in pairs and create a dialogue to the characters in the picture. So see, you have to create the characters of a... So see, 2 girls and 1 boy are there in a park. So you have to create dialogues for them. I have helped you by writing these dialogues. For example, imagine that her name is Rani. Okay. Her name is Rani. His name is Ravi. Her name is Nisha or something. Whatever the names you can. So he is asking, hi Rani, what are you reading? And Rani is saying that I am reading Cinderella. You can write any conversation in your own. Okay. This is all about speaking. So our next section is writing. Some animals are kept as pets at home. As you know, we can keep pets at our home. What are the pet animals? Yeah, it may be a dog or anything, or a cat or anything, whatever we like to. Write 5 lines to describe your pet animals. I have helped to write something about the pet animal. So if you want to know how to write about your pet animal, you can also frame a 5 sentences and write about your pet animal. Okay. See, my pet dog name is Tommy. See, I have used a name Tommy. If you have a pet, it also having a name, you can write your pet dog's name here. Okay. It is naughty but good. It is very naughty. Dogs are generally naughty, right? But they are good. It loves to eat biscuits. What generally dogs eat? They generally eat biscuits. I love to play with him every day. See, we sometimes play with our pet. Some people play every day. Okay. It plays football. Sometimes dogs also play football, or dogs also play with a ball, right? So I use this sentence. It plays football. So our next section is pronunciation. Read the words aloud in the 2 columns. Note the differences in the CH and SH sounds. So CH sounds and here SH sounds. Read aloud after me. Branch, branch. Church, church, match, match, lunch, lunch, rich, R-I-C-H, rich, it is ich sound, okay. Brush, crash, wash, push, wish, it is ish sound, it is ch, that means branch, ich sound, it is ish sound, okay. This is the difference. So see children, this activity, you have to do this activity, and this activity is of 5 marks, okay. Discuss the name of some popular mouse cartoon characters. Draw or paste pictures of your favorite one in the space given below. So what are the mouse famous cartoons popular? Tom and Jerry is the popular mouse cartoon. So you have to draw the picture of Tom and Jerry here, and you have to send those pictures to me, or you can also paste the Tom and Jerry picture here, okay.